And people say that he's one of the Biafra Liberation Army. Some even called him Holy Ghost brother. I used to call him Holy Ghost brother, thinking that he's a biological brother. Maybe he is, maybe he's not. Because the video that I'm about to show you now says something that made me to, in fact, that video, what he said here changed my opinion on him. That's why you can see the title. I said, is he truly a Biafran Liberation Army? Because I don't know. He said something that that he's descendant of Abacha. I don't understand that part. I don't understand that part. There's kind of confusion from this his video. I want to know genuinely, if you know him, please, or what do you think? Who do you think he is? Because first time when I saw his video for the first time, based on what he said, I was thinking that he's maybe somehow he related to Holy Ghost, and they somehow look alike. There's a kind of similarity, the facial structure, especially the nose. It made me to think that maybe he is Holy Ghost brother. So, but I start to be corrected on that. I don't know. If you know, please let me know. Then like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. I don't want to waste much time. I just want to share this video, and I want to know your opinion on that, because I don't know who he is. If you know who he is, let me know, because I don't want to see him to be who he is not. You know what I'm talking about. So please hear what he said here. Very, very important.
Your time. Come across this video. Let me introduce myself to those who's asking my name. My name is the Lion, aka See Me No More. I am the product of late General Sani Abacha.
That one hit me differently. I'm a product of the late General Sani Abacha. That is why I said I want to know, please, who he is to you. Let me know.
But suddenly, unfortunately, the bad government of Nigeria killed him. You see, this life, spirit walks around. My brothers and sisters in the Biafra land, the time is coming when they will run with their two legs. They don't know where their shoe is. I'm still saying this. The youth, the mothers, the father that can still fight, keep preparing. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. The time is coming. It's close. Not we don't know what we are doing. We know what we are preparing for. All those governors in the southeast thinking that bulletproof motor can save them. Buying bulletproof cars everywhere now. Coaster bus. That bulletproof, you go turn to waterproof. I am a Biafra. I must fight for my people. I represent Holy Ghost. Commander Holy Ghost. My name is See Me No More. You see Biafra. For Biafra not to come, let the Eastern governors, senator, they will perish. No one will live. Man die, man boss another. I believe in action. They come to kill us. Then let them prepare to die. We are not afraid. We are preparing. Let them prepare. We are preparing. You see this election they want to do. If you are wise, don't come aside. AGC, APC, PDP is not on our agenda. As far as Biafra is concerned, nothing like politicians, nothing like election, nothing like anything that would exist. They come to use election to come and deceive us in the Biafra land, so that they will keep on saying that look at people that is fighting for freedom. They are still going to campaign. They are still going to vote. Vote for who? The only vote that I believe is Biafran vote. Let them take their campaign out from the southeast. It will not be easy. Oh. It will never be easy. It will not be easy. Oh. It will not be easy. You see my hand, you no good for trigger. Oh. My hand no good for trigger. If you are doing your business, do am well. The lovers of freedom of Biafra, I know you people have sense. I know that you people know what to do. I know that you people know where you are coming from and where you are going to. The respect that we can give Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is this year and next year. Game change when next year will come. Game change throughout this month. Game change before December. Game will change. They will not understand. You see coconut water, nobody know how it take go up. Oh. Nobody know as coconut take get water. Now say it go be, nobody go know where Biafra will take come. You will sleep and wake up and see Biafra. You people will sleep and wake up and see Biafra. We are not here for church or chore. Gentle the Yahoo, keep working. I dey see your work. Eje makeup, I dey see your work. Butuzo, I dey see your work. We dey everywhere. Now people wey you no go see. You cannot see us, but we dey see you now. We dey go everywhere. But through campus, so we dey there. I dey tell you where we dey. I no dey shake, I no dey fear. You see Agrega for Kigwe, we dey there. I no dey fear. I dey tell you. You see Angara roundabout, we dey rotate there every 247. I been Anambra dey talk. We dey see everybody. But keep working. We are with you. This is the product of Sani Abacha, the late Sani Abacha. I am one of the products. The only person that can say stop, number one, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. 2, Abacha. 3, Abacha's wife. 4, Ngozi Orabueze. Or Samuel Ekpa. Those people that can give orders say stop. If they cannot say stop, game change. Oh, hey, Biafra. You know why I'm smiling? Because Biafra is close. It's for us now to prepare to go home. Nnamdi Kanu is coming out. Now the president will bring him out. Oh. You see, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't have power to bring him out. He's only playing his politics. People that will bring Nnamdi Kanu out, people will be surprised. You will sleep and wake up and see Biafra. We are all over the world. Oh, hey, Biafra. My name, na see me no more, aka. May the gentle soul of Commander Holy Ghost rest in peace. The same way Nigeria will still rest in peace. I greet you all.
What is your take? I want to know. The names he mentioned about people that he can respect and honor, or people that can give order, will make you think like that he's actually the true son. You know what I mean by that? Or he knows what he's saying. But maybe not the Abacha that I'm looking at, what I'm talking about. But he said the late Abacha that Nigeria died. I don't know. Please let me know in your comment section. Let me know. Genuinely, I want to know. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.